Hi, Jesse Cano from LoseTheBackPain.com, and if you're looking for information on back pain symptoms, I'd like to share with you a little bit more than just symptoms. I'd like to share with you how you can get lasting relief. But first, some of the common symptoms. As you probably already know and are likely experiencing, they can be a dull, occasional ache in the back, a constant dull ache, an intermittent throbbing type of pain. It could be numbness, tingling, whether in the back or in the buttocks or even down into the leg. Again, those are just some of the common symptoms. But what's important is that you pay attention to that symptom, and it's your body's way of telling you that there's something wrong. So what most people do, and this is one of the biggest mistakes that we see people make, is the pain goes away and they forget about the problem. Just because the pain is gone, that doesn't mean the underlying problem is gone. It's very likely still there, and it's going to come back to haunt you again in the future in the form of another flare-up. So if you're experiencing back pain now, I encourage you to focus on identifying and addressing the underlying causes to prevent the future flare-up. Okay? We discuss many of the common causes and the biggest causes on our website in in-depth articles and videos and audios. For instance, I mentioned the mistake a moment ago of going back about your business, going back on with your life and not addressing the underlying cause of the problem once the pain goes away. That's just one of 7 common mistakes that we see people make, and we actually have a free audio called The 7 Back Pain Mistakes. You can listen to that on our website as well. I want to talk to you briefly now about some of the common causes. And these are causes you might not have heard about, and maybe some of them you have. But one of the biggest physical causes of back pain is muscle imbalances. Muscle imbalances create problems in many ways, but the most common and the biggest way is by pulling your body and spine out of alignment. One muscle overpowers another muscle group, pulls your spine and joints out of alignment, creating excess wear and tear, uneven pressure and strain on your discs and your muscles, and then eventually you have pain, or worse, a disc problem. But the good news is these things are easy to fix. Muscle imbalances are easy to identify and easy to fix. And once you do that, you eliminate the root cause of the problem, and you get rid of the pain, and also, like I said earlier, prevent the future flare-up. So for more information on the root causes of back pain, I encourage you to visit our website, LoseTheBackPain.com. Again, you can find free articles, free videos, and you can even get a free copy of my book, The 7-Day Back Pain Cure.